This is a question for the backend AEM software engineer. The question is, tell me about yourself and walk me through your background. You could answer in the lines of, I'm a senior software engineer with a graduate degree in computer science and over 8 years of experience delivering enterprise grade web applications and content platforms. My core expertise is Adobe Experience Manager. I have been working deeply with AEM for several years now, architecting multi-brand, multi-site implementations at enterprise scale. Most recently at PwC, I have been a senior tech lead where I own the full AEM architecture from backend services in Java and OSGI to headless content delivery through GraphQL to caching strategy across Dispatcher, CloudFront, and Caffeine. One of my proudest achievements there was a driving performance of 35% performance improvement by rethinking the caching architecture end to end. Beyond the technical work, I have mentored junior and intermediate developers, defined component and content modeling standards, and collaborated directly with architects and stakeholders to translate business requirements into scalable solutions. I am based in Toronto, fully authorized to work and genuinely excited about this role because your company works with exactly the kind of multi-brand high visibility clients where my experience is most relevant. Let us answer another question. What is OSGI? OSGI is the modular runtime framework that AEM is built on top of. The core idea is that instead of deploying one monolithic Java application, you break everything into independent modules called bundles. Each bundle has its own life cycle, declares what it provides, and declares what it depends on. The practical benefit in AEM is that you can deploy, update, or restart individual bundles without bringing the whole server down. That's huge in enterprise environments where uptime and downtime matter. In my day-to-day work, every backend service I write is an OSGI component. I use annotations like at component to register a service, at reference to inject dependencies from other bundles, and at activate to run initialization logic when the bundle starts up. One thing I have learned from experience, you have to be deliberate about reference cardinality. If you declare a required reference and the dependency isn't available, your bundle simply won't activate, and that can be a subtle and frustrating deployment issue if you don't know how to look for it. So in short, OSGI is the engine underneath AEM, and understanding it is what separates developers who can truly debug and architect AEM solutions from those who are just working at the surface layer. Finally, OSGI is a short form for Open Services Gateway Initiative. I'll see you in the next audio.